7 healthy tips to get a flat stomach in 4 weeks. Getting rid of belly fat is no joke. To make matters worse, having excess body fat might increase your risk of developing a number of debilitating chronic illnesses, including cancer and heart diseases. If you have ever had a dream of having a flat stomach, you definitely know it is not easy. Lack of consistency and discipline is the first enemy of your goal. Some fitness influencers make it look very easy, but it is not. But there are things that you can do to make the process a bit easier on you. So what are we talking about? 1. Reduce your intake of calories, but not drastically. To lose weight, calories must be reduced. One well-known strategy is to reduce your daily caloric intake by 500 to 1,000 calories in the hopes of losing between 1 to 2 pounds every week. However, restricting your calorie intake in excess can be detrimental. Eating too few calories can significantly lower your metabolic rate, or the amount of calories your body constantly consumes. In one study, people who consumed 1,100 calories per day reduced their metabolic rate and maintained a rather good shape than those who consumed 1,500 calories over 30 days. 2. Increase your intake of soluble fiber. Soluble fiber eases digestion, causes the stomach to shrink, and makes you feel full. Additionally, soluble fiber may reduce the amount of calories your body can absorb from food. By consuming soluble fiber, you are also less likely to accumulate fat around your organs, reducing the size of your abdomen and your risk of developing certain diseases. One observational study showed that every 10-gram increase in the daily dietary fiber intake reduced the amount of fat that was added to the midsection by 3.7% in about a month. 3. Consume probiotics. Probiotics are live microorganisms believed to play a significant role in weight loss and maintenance. It has been found that obese and overweight people have a different composition of gut microbes than people of normal weight, which could have an impact on weight gain and fat distribution. Regular use of probiotics may shift the balance in favor of beneficial gut flora, reducing the risk of weight gain and fat accumulation in your stomach area. Some probiotic strains have been shown to be particularly effective for shedding belly fat. Examples of probiotic foods are yogurt, kefir, tempeh, kimchi, and pickles. Additionally, there is a huge selection of probiotic supplements available. 4. Perform some exercises. Losing weight as a result of cutting back on junk food is common. However, doing some exercises may be very effective in reducing your stomach size and fixing your tummy. In actuality, combining strenuous activity with your day-to-day activities is by far the greatest method for reducing your waistline. Exercising may prevent the loss of muscle mass that is frequently seen when cutting calories, helping to maintain your metabolic rate and reducing the size of your midsection. 5. Try protein shakes. Drinking smoothies are an easy way to increase the amount of protein in your diet. Why do you need this? Including enough protein in your diet can improve digestion, reduce hunger, and aid in weight loss, especially around the waist. Additionally, studies have shown that using protein drinks in your weight loss diet may be very effective at reducing your abdominal fat. It has been proven that including them as the main component of a weight loss diet works spectacularly to reduce the size of your belly fat. 6. Include monounsaturated fatty acids in your diet. Numerous foods include monounsaturated fatty acids, which is a type of heart-healthy fat. It's interesting to note that research suggests meals high in monounsaturated fatty acids may be linked to reducing body weight. The Mediterranean diet is a diet high in monounsaturated fatty acids, which has been associated with a number of health advantages, including a decreased risk of weight gain and a decrease in belly fat in both children and adults. Olive oil, avocados, almonds, and seeds are some of the foods high in monounsaturated fatty acids. 7. Limit your carb intake, particularly refined carbs. It has often been suggested that limiting your carb intake has revolutionary medicinal benefits, notably for weight loss. Research clearly demonstrates that low-carb diets target the fat that collects around your abdominal organs and reduces your waistline. A few studies have also found that simply switching from refined carbs to natural whole food carbs will help you lose weight and improve your metabolic health. Observational studies have shown that people with the highest admissions of whole grains are 17% less likely to have a lot of belly fat than people who consume fewer carbs that are high in refined carbs. Limiting your total carb intake, and more importantly, substituting whole food carbs for refined carbs, may help you lose weight and improve your health. As you have seen, there are many methods that can help you achieve your goal of a flat tummy. By incorporating some of the suggested methods into your daily life and routine, you might have the chance to see your six-pack or flat tummy sooner rather than later. Always keep in mind that while it may need some expense and effort, it will all be worthwhile in the end if done properly. That's all from this video. Please remember to share, like, and subscribe for more content like this, and hit the notification bell to get notified anytime we post another amazing or life-changing video. See you in the next one.